Installing the AHU. That's just the beginning. Real performance starts with testing and commissioning. That's where the magic happens. Without proper commissioning, even the best system can fail. Poor airflow, unwanted noise, or wasted energy. That's why every single test counts. We check fans, filters, ducts, controls, wiring. Everything. Then we match the system's output to the design specs. Nothing is left to chance. Graduation cap ready to level up. Start learning today. Mobile phone with right arrow. Visit us at www.hegsdc.com. Closed lock with key. Register now on the LMS Portal. It's fast and easy. Briefcase. Whether you are in ITI, Diploma, or engineering, this course is made for you.